Have you used Text Expander within WikiTree yet? Text Expander has been around for a while in browsers, but now it's available in WikiTree browser extension. It's really handy when you have long phrases, long sticker code, or you have something that you always use on a profile over and over again. You can assign a little abbreviation to it and it will type it out for you. Saves lots of time and lots of work. Let me go ahead and give you a couple examples on what I use it for and how to set it up within WikiTree browser extension. I happen to use research notes a lot. I hate typing in that header over and over again, so I want a shortcut. But before we go to set it up with WikiTree browser extension, notice this little toolbar. These are where some extras appear that are also WikiTree browser extension options. We're going to go up to WikiTree browser extension, click on the globe, and let's just make it easy on ourselves and type in Text Expander. That will bring up the option instantly. And all you want to do is click it and it will slide it to green, which means it's on. Click anywhere in the profile to remove that pop-up. Then refresh your page whenever you do a new option with WikiTree browser extension. Refresh your page and you'll notice that little arrow icon. That's your text expander. So now let's get to work and let's type in some things that I happen to use. You type in some things that you might want to use. So I'm going to type in RN, just lowercase rn, and I'm going to do the code for the header, the 2 equal signs, research notes, 2 equal signs, and hit add. I use research notes a lot. I think they're important for you to come back to a profile and see what work or questions might be on a profile, but also for others. And then I'm going to type in a sticker code that I use a lot, and it's capital A and lowercase pp. And the code is for the project box for the 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏 project. So we have the abbreviation. I type the abbreviation in and it should automatically instantly type in that text. So let's give it a try. Click on edit and we're going to come into John's profile. And right before the sources is where the research notes go. So what I'm going to do, my little abbreviation was RN. So I'm going to type RN and nothing happened. Well, type RN and then a space. Bingo. Like magic, it spells it out for me. All I had to do is type RN in a space. Now let's go and show you the other example I have. So I typed in APP for the 𝗪𝗏𝗪𝗏𝗪 project template. And you notice I have it all lowercase, APP. Hit space. Uh-oh. Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? Well, this is case sensitive. So I need to go back and type capital A, lowercase pp, then a space. As soon as I do that, my abbreviation goes away and my code, my expansion, my text expander occurs. That's it. It's as easy as that. Now, the one thing I want to caution you on, make sure that you have the abbreviations that make sense. If you just type the letter A, for example, and as you're writing the biography, if you type A space, then the information of the text expander will happen. So you don't want to do that. You do want to give some pretty specific abbreviations for it so it doesn't mess you up like that. And then as we scroll down, I can see that everything is there and see where my research notes is. Pretty quick, pretty easy. And I'm curious, let me know what you use for text expanding. See you next time.